What's up guys, my name's Brandon and today I'm going to be showing you how to set a video as your lock screen background on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch without the need of a computer or a jailbreak. So I've been seeing a growing trend of people who want to be able to have videos on their iPhone lock screen in the form of a live photo. So you can see here, I have a live photo. It's just when you press down hard and you can see a little bit of what happened before and after taking the photo. So you can see that's a live photo there, but it's not a video. This was actually just a photo with the live photos featured enabled. But of course, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert videos to live photos up to 30 seconds and have that as your lock screen background. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get straight into this very quick tutorial. So the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead over to the App Store and you want to search for an application called Video2Live, all one word. You will see it right there. It has a white icon as of the time of recording this, Video2Live. Once you have that downloaded, go ahead and open it on up. And this is the very first screen you'll be presented with, which is just going to be showing you all of the videos on your device. So from here, obviously you just want to find the video you want to set as your lock screen background and just select it. So I'm going to choose one of these concert videos right here of Juice WRLD. I'll just select this one right here. And then at the bottom, you can see here, we do have a little trim tool and we do also have a play button right there. And it does also show the length at the very top. Now it's not the best application, not the best UI, but it is one of the best ones I found that's free and works perfectly fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on play and this will give us a little preview of the video right here. Now it's not gonna be, it doesn't matter the orientation if it's landscape or if you shot it in portrait mode, it's still gonna show up fine on your lock screen, so don't pay too much attention to that. But if you click play, you can go ahead and see, what you want to be your background. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crop it a little bit right here, just so it starts right there. Then you can play it. And also you can set the cover photo, which is just the, before you press down hard, the photo, the still photo that it shows on your lock screen, simply by just pausing it on there and tapping on make cover. So I'm gonna trim my video here at the end a little bit as well. So it's gonna be a 24-second video, which is under 30 seconds. So that's perfectly fine. So now I'm just gonna scrub through and try to find the cover. So what I want to be the still photo in this video. So I'm just gonna find one where it's like right here. So you'll see that right there. I just click on make cover. And once you have this all trimmed up and you've selected your cover photo, just go ahead and click on convert. And then it will create the live photo right here. Now I have seen this application crash on this part a couple times. So if it does crash, just open it right back up and try it again. It usually works the second time around after it crashes. And just keep in mind also that this does not work on iOS 13. I did try it on iOS 13, but the application has not been updated just yet to support iOS 13. So you can see there, it's looking like it is going to finish and not crash. So it creates the live photo right here. Once it does that, it will give you an ad. Once you click X, it will save it to your camera roll. So just wait for this. Go ahead and click on X. And there we go. It says complete. Your video has been converted to live photo and saved to your album. So now all we need to do is go into our settings, go down to wallpaper, choose new wallpaper, camera roll, choose the photo that was just created, or the video, I should say, that was just created. Make sure it's on live photo, go to set, and then go to set lock screen. This does not work on the home screen, so just go ahead and do it for the lock screen right there. It will set, it does take a little while if it is a pretty long video. You saw mine was 24 seconds, so there we go. Let's go ahead and lock our device. And then you can see that is the cover photo that we made, so it looks pretty cool. When I press down and hold, you can see we have the full length video right here. It's not just a few seconds, we have the full 24 seconds now on our lock screen. Looks really cool, a lot of colors, a lot of action, so I can definitely see why people would want to do this. Now, one thing that I know a lot of people are going to be asking me about is, will this drain your battery? And the answer to that is no, most of the time not, because it's going to be a still photo here on the lock screen just like any other photo. But if you continuously, press down and hold and watch this like 100 times a day, obviously it will eat away at your battery life a little bit, but still, I've tested it and it doesn't actually drain battery that much, even if you do continuously press down and hold to view the live photo or the video here. So really not too much to lose, and I think it's a really cool feature. Not a lot of people know how to do this, and not a lot of people have this as their lock screen background, so I think it's a pretty cool way to differentiate yourself from your friends. But anyways, guys, there you have it. That is how you can set a video as the lock screen on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch without the need of a computer or a jailbreak. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you now have a new lock screen background, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and of course make sure to subscribe for a lot more iPhone tips just like this one. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.